This is how I level up at the library. Whether I'm waiting after school, in my home, or I'm visiting with my family. The library provides resources to help me, no matter where I am, get things done. Whoa, hold up. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you about all the benefits that I use while I'm at the library. Each month I get free prints to help with school projects. It saves a bunch of time, but also money when deadlines hit. I also place holds on textbooks and novels that help me with school. I love the ease of online requests and in-library pickup. From home, I log into TRL's online library for research tools, ebooks, and also homework help. Even my mom levels up through the library. She uses genealogy tools to trace our family tree. She's discovered stories about my great-grandmother settling to Washington, and family or records we never knew existed. Okay, getting back to what I was saying. Timberland Library isn't just a business or a few buildings. It's a launchpad, a story hub, a memory keeper, and it's how I level up.